in loving memory of the late Captain Victor Avondale Joseph Riviere, who passed away on Friday, 18th November 2016, and was laid to rest on Wednesday, 7th December 2016 in Roseau, Dominica. Special people always will be ingrained in our hearts and memories. Look through the tears, the sorrow, the pain. Reflect on the thoughts you want to retain. We remember your love, your warm embraces. We remember your touch, your smiling face. We remember you, so gentle and kind, who was always so caring in action and mind. We will always remember and never forget, Captain. You will forever live in our hearts, and your spirit will never depart. Continue to rest in peace, Captain Vic, till we meet again. Words provided by his loving family.